Yeah, this is my Volkswagen Virtus. Sometimes I feel the car AC is not that great, so I decided to check the AC air filter and clean it. So I would like to show you to do that. First, what you have to do is if you come to the passenger seat, you will see this glove box and this inside this glove box. If you watch carefully, there will be two notches. One is on the leftmost side, and the next one will be in the right hand side, next to the no the glove box temperature control. And maybe let me show you. Yeah, this is the one. So what we can do is we can gently pull this notch upwards and this one as well at the same time comes down. Yes, and there you see the air filter. What you can do is just pull this notch as well. So there are two. One is here and another one is here. Gently push this down, and this one as well. So it comes off like this, and you can see the AC filter here. Gently pull this and it comes without any issue. Yeah, that's how you take out your AC filter. And you can see that there are a lot of dusts accumulated over time. This need to be cleaned. So I'm going to use my vacuum cleaner blower and take off all these dusts. Yeah, so I have cleaned somewhat a bit, but I think it's not that clean, so I think I need to replace it in some days. Yeah, so let's put back the place where I have taken, gently put it in that hole and gently push it so that it fits properly. This text has to be, in the right order, and the arrow should be at the facing towards downside. So now let's close this. There are three notches here to hold this, so gently align that first and then just lock it. Yeah, it's done. So I'm gonna put this back, gently pull this glove box and push it inside. Yeah, so it get locked, and so now the AC filter has been cleaned successfully.